In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin member to ClickUp Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in ClickUp to invite someone and give them the admin access they need without getting lost in menus. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're on the account where you want to make the change. From the main interface, look toward the top left of the screen for your workspace name. This is the control center for your workspace level settings. Click the workspace name to open the workspace menu. If you're part of multiple workspaces, take a quick second to verify you're in the correct one, since permissions are specific to each workspace. From that menu, choose Settings. You'll usually see this labeled clearly or represented by a gear icon. Clicking Settings takes you into the Workspace Settings area, where you can manage members, permissions, and other global options. It's a good idea to pause here and confirm you have the right access yourself. In most cases, you need to be an owner or existing admin to invite new admins. Inside the settings, go to the People section. This is where all workspace members, guests, and pending invites are listed. Think of it as your roster and permission center. If you ever need to review who already has admin access, you can scan this page later and adjust roles from here as needed. Now, select Invite People. This opens the invitation flow. Here's where you'll add the person you want to bring in and, importantly, choose the correct permission level. For adding an admin, make sure the role or permission dropdown reflects admin before you send the invite. Admin access typically allows the person to manage workspace-wide settings, members, and other advanced controls, so only grant it to individuals who truly need it. If your plan includes different permission tiers, double-check the options so you don't over or under-assign access. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Confirm you're inviting them to the correct workspace, since invites are workspace specific. Keep in mind that adding a member may use a paid seat on your plan. And if you ever need to adjust or revoke access later, return to the People section to manage that safely. That's it. You headed to ClickUp, opened your workspace menu, went into Settings, navigated to People, and used Invite People to bring someone in with admin privileges. You're now set up to expand your team while staying in control of permissions.